Hello, and welcome to this month's Lab Minute, the video series where we cover topics on everything to do with the lab, and we make it quick. Today we are going to talk about the importance and appropriate use of a discard tube. Did you know that it is necessary to draw a discard tube first, in order of draw when you are using a butterfly needle or safety blood collection set to collect specimens for coagulation testing? It is. But why is it important? What would be affected if one wasn't used? Is it really that big of a deal? A discard tube is used to remove the dead volume from the tubing, which could affect the blood to additive ratio in the first tube collected, which is typically the sodium citrate tube for coagulation in the event that blood cultures are not needed. Evacuated blood tubes contain a specific amount of additive in vacuum, so that the proper amount of blood is pulled into the tube to achieve the appropriate blood to additive ratio. So if the proper amount of blood isn't pulled in due to dead space in the collection set tubing, there will be too much additive present, and testing could be impacted. Normally, discard tubes are either a no additive tube or an additional coagulation tube. A discard tube does not have to be filled to the fill line, but should be used to make sure that the dead volume in the tubing has been exhausted. Once you have used the discard tube, you will follow the appropriate order of draw as you normally would. We hope that you found this information useful and now understand when it is appropriate to use a discard tube during your draw. If you have ideas for other topics for Lab Minute videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this month's Lab Minute.